You may be wondering what it's like to buy a home. Should you start your search online? Should you look at homes first? Or should you get pre-approved for a loan first? Wherever you are in your new home search, one of the most important things you need is a pre-approval letter from your lender. So what's a pre-approval letter? Well, a pre-approval letter is a written letter from a mortgage lender that states that you have been tentatively approved for a mortgage. Your pre-approval letter includes the specific amount you're approved for, as well as your interest rate and loan term. The letter will include the amount of money that you have been approved for, and it's what sellers are looking for to make sure that if they accept your offer, you will actually be able to get financing for the house you're buying. If you're looking for a home, it's important to know how much you can afford, and sellers feel more comfortable knowing that you've already been approved. So how can you get a pre-approval letter? Well, to get pre-approved, you must first meet with the mortgage lender. You will need to complete the following steps to get a pre-approval letter. Step 1, complete a home loan application. You can often complete the application online or over the phone. After the application is complete, your lender will pull a 3-bureau credit report that will show your credit score and credit history. Step 2, document your income and assets. The next step is to send your supporting documentation that will help determine what you qualify for. This documentation will usually include the last 2 years' W-2s and/or 1099s, your last 2 years' tax returns, paycheck stubs for at least the last 30 to 60 days, bank accounts, retirement accounts, and other asset information, proof of down payment funds, and a recent residential history. To speed up the approval process, it helps to have these documents ready to go before you get started. Step 3, underwriting. The last step in the pre-approval process is what is called underwriting, and it is what will happen once you've completed your mortgage application and sent in your paperwork. Your lender should be able to get you your pre-approval letter within about a 24 to 48 hour period so you can start looking at homes. Most sellers today are asking for pre-approval letters, but some are willing to use what's called a pre-qualification letter. A pre-qualification letter is usually easier and faster to get because it doesn't involve submitting your paperwork or verifying proof of funds or income. But don't think that just because you filled out a mortgage application on some online website that you actually have a pre-approval letter, because you don't. And sellers agents know the difference. Spend the extra time to actually get a pre-approval letter from a mortgage lender. It will not only help you to get in to see that home you're interested in, but could also be what helps your offer get accepted quicker when you are all ready to buy that home of your dreams. Now could be the perfect time for you to buy a home, and knowing what you need, like a pre-approval letter, can help you breeze through the process.